All right, everybody. This is an explanation as to where I've been for the last few weeks. Well, first off, my youngest son, he has chickens and turkeys at the fair, and he shows them at the fair, and so we spent 10-11 days there. And on the very last day, my son and his daughter, my oldest son and his wife, not his daughter, had a baby girl. So we've been kind of crazy here. But just prior to the fair happening and all of that stuff, we had our septic tank replaced. And I managed to convince the installer to save me some work to do. So that's the video you're going to see tonight, and is me moving all kinds of dirt, backfilling the big hole in my backyard just prior to us going to the fair. So I recorded all this way ahead of time. I just haven't had time to upload it. So I apologize for that, but I'm back. Number two, I had somebody comment that they haven't seen part 2 of my canopy build, and they haven't seen that yet because I haven't done any more on it yet. I just got busy, got to doing things, had to use the tractor for other things, so I couldn't have it in the garage working on it, making the canopy. So I'll try to do that in the next couple weeks too, with the weather cooling off. Now my sister is coming next week, but I'm going to try to get a bunch of these videos rendered so that you guys can have some videos coming even when I'm on vacation. So stick around, watch this. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Well, welcome everybody. I don't know if you can see me. This is AK Dad stuff. I'm standing in a ditch in a hole. They have come and replaced my septic tank today, and I convinced them to leave me some work. So they left me this backfilling to be done, and I'm going to, and they're also hauling some more dirt in so I can do topsoil spreading around. And so stick around, watch what I got. All right, everybody. I don't know whether you can see me or not, but I'm gonna quit for the night. I've done a little work. I did something stupid, and that is I didn't put my my weight, my ballast that I made on my tractor. I made that ballast for just this kind of thing, and I didn't put it on there, and I really need it. So the next time you see me, I'll have the ballast on. We'll finish this up. There'll probably be some more dirt. Just stick around here. We'll finish this up.